Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is John at Cross Motors here in Louisville. I wanted to go through what to me is probably the coolest thing we've ever built, ever in our shop. We built this a number of years ago for a client and it keeps coming back and going out. I think this is the third time through, and every time we get it, it's just a little bit better, and the components on it are impossible to find and becoming harder and harder to get. The big one being this d.o.t highline kit. It looks relatively factory. Opens up the wheel well so you can stuff that oversized 35, which we just put on. Those are new. It's had 33s up to this point in its life, as well as the d.o.t highline hood, which vents. We also did a River Raider snorkel, which is the cleanest look on a snorkel you can get, in my opinion. On the front end, these bumpers are becoming really desirable. So this is actually a mopar loop bumper, and it's factory finish. It hasn't been redone. A lot of them are kind of destroyed and redone at a certain point. This thing's always been well taken care of with the appropriate 9.5 CTI1 winch in great shape, and then the super rally lights, which fit this bumper perfectly. I just think it's a really clean look. We also obviously lifted it, set of d.o.t saltas. It is an LJ Rubicon with only 46,000 miles, so take all the other stuff off of it. It's a really hard car to find. And then we also did this brake top. So it's slick, and you don't see a lot of these, and when you do see them, a lot of times the paintwork isn't right. So these come unpainted, and then it's up to the body shop to make sure they match the color. But you know, by the time you get around to these, usually this paint's a little faded. It's also got some flake in it, so it's a really difficult thing to do. We did this in-house, and this is on the very few examples I've seen, the best paint job I've seen on one of these tops. It really, really sets it off. It opens it up a ton. You get a boatload of light with this third window. It's pretty sharp. That d.o.t highline kit also includes these oversized fenders, which is going to bring you within d.o.t spec on most wheels and tires, so you're not outside there. Coming to the rear, it gets even better. You have a Titan fuel tank, which you don't see a lot of because it does fit the TJ, and then an ARB rear tire carrier and bumper. So super cool components, very high-end stuff. Well done on an impossible car to find. I just don't think it's going to get a whole lot cooler, and something like this is only going to become more and more collectible as these parts drop off the market and are even harder to find. So any other questions on this particular unit, give us a call anytime at 502-459-9900, and we'll see you guys next time.